First off, thank you for choosing CaseGuard. We're excited to have you on board. We're going to be showing how to redact images and albums of organized images inside Studio. Let's open up the project and I'll show you the most efficient way to handle this. Import your image or images into CaseGuard. Importing 4 or more images into CaseGuard automatically creates an album to keep things organized, and you can upload as many images as you want into a single album. In the bottom left, you can use these forward or backward arrows to review the images in an album, or press this play button to view them sequentially automatically. If you see any images that don't belong in the album or that you don't need to redact, you can go to the right, click the trash can icon, and select Confirm to remove the image from the album. From here, you have several tools available to you. Go to the left-hand panel and click AI Search, and now you can automatically find and redact 12 different categories of PII. In this instance, I'm going to choose license plates. Click Next. Click this plus icon to choose your redaction or enhancement effect, and go down here to adjust the margins of your redaction as you see necessary. Click Next again. Here's where you can point the AI to redact the whole album or just a selected range of images. Up here you can check this box if you have any 4K, 8K, 360, or drone images in the album. And for your AI detection mode, if you have any images that are particularly dark or grainy, you're going to want to select extra coverage. Click Apply. Now we can press play and we can review the AI's work. As we can see, the AI did a really good job. If there are any false positives, then the best practice for removing those in images is going to be hovering over a box and double clicking it to delete it rather than disabling it. In images, you can also manually redact by clicking and dragging a shape. You can also add a redaction reason to it by going up to the left, and under the drop-down menu and reasons, you can select your justification for redaction. Above it, if you need to change the shape of the redaction, you can make it an ellipse, a rectangle, a polygon, a triangle, or a diamond. A polygon is going to be for any very specific object that needs to be redacted from an image, and this will help avoid under-redaction and over-redaction. For instance, if we needed to redact this entire vehicle rather than just the license plate, take the polygon and click and drag the lines, adding as many as you would like to completely cover the object without obstructing anything else in the image. The way you complete a polygon is by connecting the last line to the first line. Add watermarks by carefully drawing a box. Right-click, copy effects to. Click the plus icon and scroll all the way down. Click this Add File icon next to the trash can. Most likely you will choose the logo of your agency, but whatever your agency requires. Make sure to remove the adaptive blur. Add a background, change its color, preserve the aspect ratio, and make it a little transparent so that people can see what's behind it. Click Next. Choose to apply to either the whole file or just a selected range of images. Hit Next one more time, and select Dynamic Location and Size. Hit Apply. Going back to the toolbar, you can rotate images 90 degrees to the left or to the right to standardize them. You can create and apply templates. To create your own template, click Save as Template. Give the template a descriptive name, and click Save. Here I have a new album that I need to redact, but first I'm going to apply the template that I just created. So we'll go back to the toolbar, click Templates, and click Apply Template. And here's where we can choose what we want to apply. And we can choose to apply it to the whole file or a selected range. Back in the left-hand panel, going to Tools, you can crop, resize, or convert images to a standard format. You can also rotate images 180 degrees, or flip them on their vertical or horizontal axis. Once you're done, you can click Export. For any further questions or specific scenarios, send an email to support@caseguard.com or reach out to your dedicated account manager. Thanks again for choosing CaseGuard. I'll see you in the next lesson.